some of the UK's top scientists and speakers are in Exeter this week for the British Science Festival. Free events are happening at the university and in the city centre. Bob Cruz went along to explore what's on offer.
It's Europe's longest standing science festival, running since 1831, and this year it's come to Exeter. Among the demonstrations in the university's Forum building, a simulator which shows how the autonomous cars of the future might have robotic moving parts in the seat to attract the attention of the driver when there's danger ahead.
OK, I'm feeling the seat moving again, so that's telling me that I've got to do something. And there's a car in front of me, so I'm going to slow down.
That's the novelty we are introducing. That's where we are going beyond the existing visual and audio feedbacks that you see in highly automated vehicle. So we wanted to make use of sense of touch, and we know haptic feedback from research and past knowledge. We know that haptic feedback is very effective in communicating information to humans.
The British Science Festival goes to a different city every year and last came to Exeter in 2004.
We've got loads of great local research going on, lots of the researchers here from the University of Exeter, but also researchers from across the world that work with people here in Exeter as well. So it's a really great way to showcase what's happening here, but also how that connects globally.
Goodbye for now.